Hey, how's it going? My name is ArcDev. I'm one of the developers on the NFT Worlds project. I lead most of the development effort. I just wanted to cover a few things about the project that I don't think a lot of people are very aware of with what we're doing. So we started NFT Worlds is basically a way to build developable virtual worlds that were on-chain, as well as having them be an extension of on-chain geographical feature-based resource data, etc., for other developers to build new experiences on top of. So there's this two-sided approach to what we're doing. Um, I won't go too much into the on-chain data specific side, since that's more focused on a later part of our roadmap that probably won't come into play for another month or two. But on the creative side of what we're doing with being compatible with Minecraft and opening up the ability for people to own these worlds and develop unique and interesting creative structures, buildings, and ideas within the worlds, and then sync them back to the NFT. I think in the immediate term, this is probably the most interesting part of the project currently. It is, again, I'll clarify, this is not the only part of the project. This is just the most relevant in the current time context. With what we're doing with Minecraft, this is going to open up a whole new category of what I've seen a lot of people talking about is play to earn for Minecraft builders and creators. And to break it down simply, what this means is that as, say, a professional Minecraft builder or just a regular person that's really great at building in Minecraft, sitting, in their office or their home or whatever, it lets them buy one of these lands, these NFT worlds. It lets them then go into the world using the Minecraft client and create very interesting works of art, structures, these massive builds that I'm sure some of you have seen before on YouTube that people have just done in Minecraft, but they're not monetizable in such a way that they're treated as one-of-one pieces of art or one-of-one works that are, explorable or inherently seen as virtual real estate because there's no ownership authority or anything backing them. And that's kind of what we're doing here. So with this, what people are going to be able to do, and tomorrow what we're announcing is the first partnership with one of the largest professional builders in the Minecraft community, is showcasing this ability to create something incredible, to sync it back to a world, to present it in such a way that it is seen as virtual ownership backed with a non-fungible token to then assert the one-of-one ownership of the specific asset. And then it can then be sold on secondary market to a future owner. So with this partnership, we're going to announce in the next 24 hours the first build, and it is going to blow your mind. It's blown my mind. And it will be up for auction for 7 days. There will be promo material, fly-through videos, trailers, renders, etc. of the world. We're working right now on a way for anyone to be able to preview and explore this developed world within the context of just your web browser. So you'll be able to fly around and see exactly what's been built, this massive creation that they've made. And this is going to be true for all builds going forward. So being able to own these unique one-of-one builds, these castles, creations, whatever the creator's mind sort of sets out to build, is going to be possible with NFT World using Minecraft as a tool for creation. I think to go a little bit beyond that too, we've talked a little bit, you may or may not have seen this in our announcements, we've talked a little bit about multiplayer support going forward. So basically what this is going to mean is that as an owner of an NFT world, through the World Manager dApp that we have live on our website, in the future, likely within the next month, based on our roadmap and how fast we're progressing, you're going to be able to host one of these worlds in a way that other people can join in, and you'll be able to see them, play with them, explore with them, etc. We even have the ability in the future, and we're working on this already, where DAOs and other NFT communities can do holder verification or member verification in order to give access to a world. So this is going to open up the ability for these unique worlds to have creators, DAO members, the holders of specific NFTs to only get exclusive access to these three-dimensional voxel worlds that are based within the Minecraft tool. And there they can hang out, explore, interact. There will be the ability to use JPEGs and post NFT art within the context of these individual worlds through different mods and etc. that we're making on top of these servers. And it should be a really exciting, interesting time, and it's something we're looking forward to see communities start adopting this as a metaverse medium for them to interact with each other, explore, share their NFTs, and more. I think for now, that's probably the biggest set of relevant updates that are coming in the future. I want to do more of these updates through audio and maybe even an AMA or video. I have no problem with that in the future. To give you guys context, to put trust and transparency into the project and what we're doing and how fast we're trying to move forward with development, and actually deliver something of utility and value in the NFT space that hasn't really been seen before. We're not trying to do a PFP pump and dump. We're trying to make something that's tangible, that lives longer than just what these profile picture NFTs likely will. That's not to say that all of them are pump and dumps. There's some really amazing PFP collections out there that I love, that I think are going to do fantastic in the long term because they're innovative and they're very good value. But aside from that, going forward, just want to share with you guys, keep everyone updated in a way that it's more human, it's a voice, it's us talking as creators of the project with the community. And thank you.